What if the Earth suddenly swapped our moon with Phobos and Deimos, the tiny moons of Mars? Would we even notice? Oh, you bet we would. And the changes would be catastrophic. Let's imagine this cosmic switcheroo. First up, Phobos. This little Martian moon would orbit incredibly close to us, even closer than some of our own satellites. Because it's so near, it would look gigantic in our sky, almost 6 times wider than our current moon. Sounds cool, right? Well, not exactly. Its proximity would mean its gravitational pull, though weaker than our moon's overall, would have a massive and localized effect. It would tug violently on our oceans, creating colossal tides that would swamp coastal cities around the world. Imagine waves hundreds of feet high, crashing ashore every few hours. The constant gravitational stress would also trigger more frequent and powerful earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Our planet would be in a constant state of geological chaos. Nights would be eerily bright in some places, but feel deeply unstable. Now, let's talk about Deimos, the other Martian moon. Deimos is much smaller and orbits farther away. If it were our only moon, you'd barely even see it. It would just look like a very bright star, similar to Venus. With only Deimos in the sky, our nights would become almost completely dark. This would be a disaster for nocturnal animals that rely on moonlight to hunt and navigate. Think about owls, bats, and even sea turtles coming ashore to lay their eggs. They'd be completely lost. Humans would feel it too. Without the gentle glow of our moon, nights would feel colder and more foreboding. But the biggest problem is what we'd lose. Our real moon. Our moon is a giant, stabilizing force for Earth. Its gravity keeps our planet's tilt, our axial tilt, steady at about 23.5 degrees. This is what gives us predictable seasons and a stable climate. Without the moon, Earth would start to wobble uncontrollably on its axis. Over thousands of years, our tilt could swing wildly. The North Pole might point directly at the sun, melting the ice caps. While other regions are plunged into a permanent deep freeze, our seasons would become erratic and extreme. Life on Earth, which evolved over billions of years with the moon's steady presence, would face an unprecedented challenge. So, if we traded our moon for Phobos and Deimos, the result would be planetary chaos. We'd get terrifying tides, earthquakes, and dangerously dark nights. Our climate would unravel, and the stability we take for granted would vanish. Phobos and Deimos, as a pair, are just too small and too different to do the job. It's a powerful reminder that our moon isn't just a pretty light in the sky. It's a crucial partner that makes life on Earth possible. What cosmic swap should we explore next? A different planet's moons, or maybe a whole new star? Let me know your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching.